Well, yes, they are Canadian geese. And also update, though I did not get it on camera at all, because, it was up in trees, I did find out that I just saw my first cardinal, my first red cardinal. So, hopefully another day I will see it again and get to get it on video. But yeah, that was pretty cool. I'm just walking around right now. I went a little farther than I ever have. I've also seen like 3 red-breasted robins. One I think is in this tree right here above me somewhere. I can see it, just can't locate it on my camera. But that red cardinal, yeah, that was pretty cool. That was neat. Jeez. My mom and that side of my adoptive family is from the Midwest, Indiana specifically, before they relocated to California before I was born and before they adopted me. Yeah, this neck of the woods of the States hold a lot of stories that I've been told and a lot of meaning family-wise. And being here now almost a week, I can't help but feel very connected in a way that I really never have before to that side. And I just hope they're proud of me wherever they are and whatever beliefs. I don't really know what I believe about afterlife at the moment. Kind of swap in and out of different things, but yeah, I just hope they're proud if they can see me, and whatever. I just yeah, that there's been a few, I don't know, experiences, I guess we'll call it, where I just makes me emotional just a little bit. Yeah. Well, it makes this place feel a little more sentimental, I guess. Not just Minnesota, but this region. Interested to dig into that a little bit more. And kind of just discover a little bit more on that within myself. Yeah. So that's been interesting to discover so far. The Mall of America, if you Google Mall of America, if you've never been, take their words and times it by 20. Like, that, for instance, big doesn't describe it. It's ginormous. So there's that. But yeah, nothing I googled could I don't think prepare me for this place, or the emotional feelings, not just with feeling connected to family. I never thought that would happen, but just relocating. You know it's gonna be hard, but if you're thinking about relocating and thinking it's gonna be hard, times that by 10 as well. At minimum, because it's yeah. That's pretty much my thoughts on as I approach 1 week so far. Let me get across the street really, really fast. Let people go. But yeah, that's pretty much it right now. Talk to you guys later. I'm gonna continue walking and exploring.